Hello and welcome to the very first video in our Tuesday series for Chat for Schools. I hope you are doing well. In this video, we're just going to do a quick overview of the site and different things you can find, and basically just a quick look around of different things you will see. First off, I want to bring your attention to the fact that my dashboard looks a little bit different than yours. That's because I'm on the admin side. So mine has admin tools as well as the manage your classroom tools. Okay, so you would automatically see the manage your classroom, the tutor bank, and then the learning studio tools. On the right-hand side, there's this little button right here that you can click for quick links, and this takes you to your recently used tools and recently used tutors. Over on the left, you can see your chat educator tools, where you can go to your tutors, your tutor bank, your learning studio, your dashboard, and you can look at all these pieces here. I want to bring your attention to the professional development piece. If I click on this, it will give you those 3 PD lessons, 60-minute guides that you can go to and take a look at some of the things you can learn for PD on your own. On the home page, again, you have all these pieces right here. We're going to start with the Learning Studio. In the Learning Studio, you have several different generators that you can use. The writing assignment, remix and assignment, text transformer, lesson plan, rubric creator, a bell ringer, a recommendation letter, email generator, analogy engine, social story writer, and an icebreak activity generator. Each of these generators can be used. You also have the tutor creator, career readiness helper, and the quiz. The career readiness helper is really interesting to me, so that's something that you may want to go in and take a look at. The tutor creator is where the majority of us spend our time, is right here in the tutor creator. And as you can see, you can go in and view all your tutors, and you can share the tutor with the community if you decide to. There are 3 that you can see right here that I've already shared with the community. So this is a good way to create a tutor and then share it with your team. That way they can go into the community and use it as well. You can also look at shared tutors, which means these are tutors that you either took from the community or that were shared with you. When you go in to create a new tutor, you have 2 different options for creating the tutor. The tutor coach, where you can have a discussion with the AI to help it design your tutor for you, or the manual input. Usually I start with a manual input, and then if I need to edit the tutor while I'm testing it out, I'll use the tutor coach. Here is where you're going to give it the name, the subject or topic, the grade level, tell it who you want to act like. Here is where you can choose a file to upload to help the tutor. Usually these files are more like rubrics or project files. What I suggest is if you have more than one file, find a way to put them all into one file so you can merge that file and then upload that. Because as of right now, there's no way to upload more than one file to a tutor. Here's the specific instructions you can put here, such as when a student asks a question, be sure to respond using academic vocabulary and help the student better prompt. So this is where, again, you would give those special instructions. Those supports can be built in here. In the tutor bank, I want to show you that real fast too. Here's where you can go in and you can see tutors that have already been created. And you can see there are 609 tutors in this tutor bank. That's quite a few more than were there at the beginning of the year. And on the left-hand side, you can see that there are topics that you can choose from to help yourself determine which tutors you want to see. So again, in this video, we went over the home button, your dashboard, what it looks like. We went through the Learning Studio, professional development, where to go to learn more on your own. The tutors, even the tutor creator right here. And we also went through the tutor bank. Again, this video is just for a brief overview of the platform, and we're going to dive more into each piece of the platform as we go along. I hope this helped, and please reach out if you have any questions.